Hello there, welcome to my current. This is the weekly forex market update and forecast. So we're looking at the Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. So let's get started with the Euro USD. What is the Euro USD telling us on the weekly? Well, we see something like a double bottom here. It's been quite a bearish market, and we can see something close to a double bottom right here. Is the Euro USD market about to shoot up? Well, we don't know, but let's go down to the daily time frame. And what do we see? We see this drop from Friday. So now, if price, this will be my prediction. If price continues higher, okay, if price continues higher and comes into the 1.05181 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a sell, right? Go for a one-to-one sell, or even 2-to-1, or even more than that. You can sell back into this 1.03440 zone, because this is a bearish market, so there's a possibility it goes over, one-to-one. So you can just go for a safe one-to-one, or just go for more than a one-to-one. Just make sure you don't overstay your welcome. That's what really matters on this Euro USD opportunity. Now, for another scenario, if we see price drop, and come into this 1.01998 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a buy. You can go for just a one-to-one in this case, right? Because this is a bearish market. So when you are going for a bullish move in a bearish market, you don't want to overstay. You don't want to overstay your welcome. So that is it for Euro USD. Just make sure that these trades meet your confirmation if you are going to take any of them. So now let's go to the GBPUSD currency pair. Now for GBPUSD, let's look at the weekly time frame. We see this bullish weekly move, really massive bullish candle, but we haven't seen anything significant after that. So what should we expect? Well, this could be a sign that the market is about to turn bullish, but it could also mean it's just price doing its thing, and it's going to continue downwards. We don't know yet, we can't tell. But one thing I'll predict is that if price comes into either of the 1.26772 or the 1.27308 zones and gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, if it gives us a bearish day close at any of those zones, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a one-to-one, and do not overstay your welcome, and leave it at that. That would be my suggestion. Go for a one-to-one and leave it at that for that scenario. But if price drops lower and comes down into this 1.21680 and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you can go for a buy. You can also go for a one-to-one and not overstay your welcome. Yes, go for a one-to-one in both scenarios. That will be my prediction, and my suggestion. Yeah, so that's for GBP USD. Don't forget, don't take any of these trades if they don't meet your confirmation. You only take them if they meet your personal trading confirmation. So now to the USDCHF currency pair, what should we expect? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We can see that weekly time frame. We see the bearish move. We've seen price push high and come into this range resistance, because you can see that range right there. We see it coming once, we see it coming the second time. Now it's coming in the second time as well. I mean the third time rather. So is it going to hold this time around? Well, we don't know, but possibly so. Let's go down to the daily time frame and make our predictions. Well, this is what I would suggest, that if price comes back into this zone, in fact, I would suggest that if price comes into this zone, that's the 0.91913 or the 0.92444 zones. If it comes into any of those zones and gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a sell. go for a sell in either of such scenarios. Yeah, go for a sell in either of such scenarios and go for a one-to-one. Do not overstay your welcome in such scenario. Just go for a one-to-one and you're good for that. Now let's see what yeah, so if you see price, another scenario is this: if you see price come this low into the 0.89266 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Yeah, go for a buy, go for a buy. And yes, just go for a one-to-one because this is a ranging market and we never can tell what it is up to. Go for a one-to-one buy in this USDCHF scenario. So that will be that for the USDCHF. Don't forget, don't take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your confirmation. So now let's go to the USDJPY currency pair. So what do we have here? Weekly time frame. What's on the weekly time frame? We see price, moved a little bit lower, but we've seen that this is a very bullish market, right? This is a very bullish market. So now let's go down to the daily time frame and see what price is telling us. Well, we see price has come into the zone in between the 151.831 and the 150.778 zones. So what are the decisions we can make? Well, if we see price push out of this, maybe the Monday candle, if we see the Monday candle push out and give us a bullish day close above this zone, above the 151.831 zone, then we can go look for an opportunity to buy the market. You can go for a one-to-one, and you can even go for a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, or even buy into this 156.298 zone, because this is a very bullish market. So there's a possibility that it goes a lot higher. There's a possibility it goes higher because it is in line. Buying the market will be in line with the trend, so there's a possibility it pushes higher. Yeah, so that'll be that for that scenario. But if the market the market pushes lower and comes into maybe a zone like this or both of these zones, if market comes into either of the 147.761 or the 146.484 zones and gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a buy in such scenarios as well. You can go for a one-to-one or even more than a one-to-one because this is in line with the trend. You can go for a 2-to-1, a 3-to-1, or just buy, or just buy and hold to the next zones. To the next zone like this, either of these zones, either of the 150.778, 151.385, or the 156.298 zones. You can buy into any of those zones from that point. Don't forget that all of the analysis I just made, you should only take them if they meet your personal trading confirmation. So now I want to let you know the products that I offer. I offer a trading account management service which you can get as much as 5 to 15% profit monthly. Yes, you heard me right. You get as much as 5 to 15% profit monthly. My contact is in the description below. Copy the link in the description below. It's my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and chat me up. If you like to partake in this and you like me to manage your trading accounts, yes, you can get as much as 5 to 15% monthly. Copy the link, paste it in your browser and chat me up and let me know you want me to manage your trading account. So now for the next one, it is the signal service. Now it goes for $200 but currently I'm giving my signals for free. Yes, you heard me right. I'm giving my signals for free. The link to the channel is in the description below. It's a Telegram channel, so it's for free. I just want people to have a taste of what I really offer. I offer premium signal service, and I dare say there's nothing like it in the world. You cannot get anything like it in the world. It will take your trading profits to the highest possible level. So come into the channel and follow the signals and see for yourself what the kind of value I am offering you. And also, These signals are signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that you do not. It's derived from a highly profitable trading system that you do not want to even want to joke with. This is the real deal and will really help your trading and take your trading to the highest level. I'm not bluffing, and if you think I'm bluffing, you have an opportunity to confirm and come into the channel and see for yourself the value that I'm offering you. So yes, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anybody. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.